When DJI introduced the DJI Neo, it quickly earned a reputation as one of the most approachable, beginner-friendly drones on the market. Compact, lightweight, and surprisingly powerful, it gave content creators, vloggers, and even casual hobbyists a way to capture breathtaking aerial footage without breaking the bank or facing an intimidating learning curve. For many, the Neo seemed like the perfect drone to start with, or even stick with long-term. But just as people were starting to settle into the Neo's ecosystem, the rumor mill began buzzing. Insider reports, including highly reliable leaks from trusted industry voices, suggest that a new version, the DJI Neo 2, could arrive as soon as late 2025. That naturally raises a huge question for anyone considering a drone purchase right now. Should you buy the DJI Neo today or hold out for the rumored Neo 2? In this long-form breakdown, we'll explore everything you need to know. We'll go over what makes the DJI Neo such a strong choice in 2025, examine all the potential upgrades the Neo 2 might bring, and help you figure out which drone makes the most sense for your needs, whether you're a beginner testing the waters or a seasoned creator looking for the best budget-friendly aerial camera. Let's dive in. What the DJI Neo already offers before we get lost in the excitement of rumors and speculation. It's worth appreciating what the current DJI Neo already brings to the table. Compact and travel-friendly, the DJI Neo was designed from the ground up with portability in mind. Weighing in at just a few hundred grams, it fits easily into a small backpack or even a jacket pocket. This makes it an ideal travel companion for vloggers, backpackers, or anyone who wants to shoot while on the go without carrying bulky equipment. Beginner-friendly Operation DJI clearly designed the Neo to be accessible. With its simplified controls, intuitive app integration, and even voice command support, the Neo allows new pilots to start flying almost immediately. Many drones overwhelm first-time users with complicated calibration, multi-axis gimbals, and endless menu options. The Neo, by contrast, focuses on simplicity without sacrificing quality. Camera capabilities. Here's where things get impressive for a compact drone in this price bracket. The DJI Neo uses a 1.2-inch CMOS sensor mounted on a single-axis stabilized camera, capable of shooting crisp 4K video at 30 FPS. For stills, it provides rich, vibrant images that are more than enough for social media creators, travel bloggers, and entry-level filmmakers. While professional drones like the DJI Air 3 or Mavic 3 Pro feature multi-axis gimbals and larger sensors, the Neo is no slouch. Thanks to DJI's RockSteady and Horizon Steady stabilization technologies, footage remains smooth even during windy conditions or fast movements. AI-powered tracking. One standout feature is the AI subject tracking system. Whether you're jogging through a park, skateboarding down a city street, or hiking up a mountain trail, the Neo can lock onto its subject and follow automatically. This frees you from having to constantly micromanage the flight controls and lets you focus on capturing the moment. Smart app features. The DJI Fly app is where a lot of the magic happens. With a clean interface, users can quickly switch modes, adjust camera settings, or even control the drone entirely via smartphone. For added creativity, automated flight paths, preset cinematic shots, and quick shots make it easy to get polished results with minimal effort. Safety first. For beginners, safety is often the biggest concern. DJI tackled this with built-in propeller guards, return-to-home functionality, and simplified emergency controls. If the drone detects low battery or signal loss, it will automatically return to its takeoff point. Battery life. The Neo offers around 18 minutes of flight time per battery. While that might seem limited compared to larger drones, it's sufficient for quick shoots, travel vlogs, and casual flying. And with additional batteries, users can easily extend their shooting sessions. Rumors about the DJI Neo 2 now. Let's shift gears and talk about the elephant in the room, the upcoming DJI Neo 2. While DJI has not officially confirmed the drone, several leaks and insider reports have hinted at potential upgrades. If DJI follows its usual strategy, we can expect 3 major improvements: a more advanced camera system, improved battery, life-enhanced obstacle avoidance technology. Let's break these down. Camera upgrades. The most exciting rumor surrounding the Neo 2 is its camera. While the Neo's 1.2-inch sensor is excellent for its size, DJI could be looking to introduce a larger 1-inch sensor or improve low-light performance. Dramatically, this would push the Neo 2 into a new category, bridging the gap between entry-level Drones and mid-range options like the DJI Mini 4 Pro imagine sharper images, better dynamic range, and higher frame rates, such as 4K at 60 FPS or even 5.1K video at cinematic quality. For creators, this would mean more flexibility, more professional output, and the ability to shoot in a wider variety of environments, from golden hour sunsets to night cityscapes. Longer battery life flight time has always been the Achilles heel of small drones. The Neo's 18 minutes are fine for short clips, but creators often find themselves rushing against the clock. Rumors suggest the Neo 2 could push past 25 minutes of flight time per battery, which would be a game changer for its category. Longer battery life means less stress, more creativity, and fewer interruptions during shoots. Obstacle avoidance, here's where things could get really interesting. The original Neo lacks advanced obstacle detection, making it less forgiving for beginners flying in crowded environments. The Neo 2 is rumored to introduce omnidirectional obstacle avoidance sensors, potentially similar to those on DJI's higher-end drones. If true, this would drastically improve safety, particularly for new pilots or those flying in urban environments with lots of trees, poles, or buildings. Obstacle avoidance also unlocks more advanced flight modes, such as autonomous flight paths and smoother subject tracking without fear of collisions. Other possible enhancements apart from the 3 big rumored features. Here are a few other areas where the Neo 2 could improve. Higher storage options or built-in internal memory for quick saves. Better connectivity with stronger signal transmission for longer. Range.upgraded AI features for smarter cinematic shots, improved audio recording that filters out environmental noise even more effectively, foldable, designed for even better portability. Should you buy the DJI Neo now or wait for the DJI Neo 2? This is the big decision. Let's weigh the pros and cons. Reasons to buy the DJI Neo now: affordability. The Neo is budget-friendly compared to what the Neo 2 will likely cost. Availability. The Neo is already in stores, while the Neo 2 might not arrive until late 2025. Proven performance. It already delivers great 4K footage, AI tracking, and safety features. Great for beginners. If you're just learning to fly, the Neo is perfect to practice on before investing in pricier gear. Reasons to wait for the DJI Neo 2: better specs. Rumored upgrades could put it far ahead of the current model. Longer battery life. Huge improvement for creators who want more shooting time. Obstacle avoidance makes flying safer and easier, especially for new pilots. Future-proofing. If you want the latest tech and don't mind waiting, the Neo 2 will likely last longer before feeling outdated. The bottom line at the end of the day, the choice depends on your priorities. If you want to start flying now, don't hesitate. The DJI Neo is a fantastic, portable, and easy-to-use drone that will give you incredible aerial shots without breaking the bank. But if you're the type who always wants the latest and greatest, and you can wait until late 2025, then the DJI Neo 2 could be worth holding out for.